Hey everybody, welcome to Technology and Toys, and today's video is going to be a little bit of a different one. I've been sitting on this one for a while and I just never decided to do a video on it, but today we're going to be taking a look at the professional wireless keyboard and mouse combo from Jellycomb, also maybe known as Multimedia Mate. As you can tell from the box, this is a wireless mouse and keyboard combo that uses a unifying receiver. It's a QWERTY keyboard and uses two AA batteries, one for the keyboard, one for the mouse. Uses a 2.4G unifying receiver. You can use this with a tablet, PC, or laptop as long as your tablet supports USB. And we'll just get into the box, seeing as there's not really much else on the box. And here it is. We have the mouse up top in its own little baggie, and the receiver is placed in the mouse when it's not in use. You have this little door right here for your batteries. These I don't believe are included, so you're gonna have to supply your own batteries. And this is a 6-button mouse. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You can change your DPI, your forward and back buttons, obviously your left and right click, scroll wheel click, and this is a very quiet mouse. So there's no super annoying clickety clack when you're playing cookie clicker or whatever you want to do with this mouse. And then the keyboard. Lift this up and out. There's also some paperwork, so we'll pull that out too. You get a little booklet here, and it really just says thank you for purchasing in 4 different languages. And you get the user guide, tells you how to put in the batteries and set it up. And then it shows some special hotkeys, which we'll take a look at right now. So here on the keyboard, you can see the top row, the function keys all have little icons on them. If you press function and escape, you get a media player, play pause for F1, previous track, next track, volume up, volume down, mute, your web home, so your home page when whatever browser you use, search, favorite, email, lock, my computer, and then insert is a calculator. And onto the keyboard itself, the feet on it are not quite on the edges, so this side is a little less stable than this side, but you're not going to be pushing up here because this is just where the battery goes. Slide it this way, and there's the battery. Put it back on. It is a little cramped. Your arrow keys are here, you have your numpad, your shift and end are here, and the keys themselves aren't all that loud, but they're not dead silent. This isn't a mechanical keyboard or anything, so it's not going to be stupid loud, stupid clackety. And then these function keys are mostly for Windows. I think some of them work for Mac OS. And then the mouse is semi-ergonomic. I mean, it's not the Magic Mouse. It's also not the MX Master, where it kind of fits your hand perfectly. There are 2 different color versions of this on Amazon. There's a yellow and black, which I have here, and a gray and white, I believe. The black and yellow is 24 bucks and the gray and white is 25. So for the price, it's not a horrible keyboard. It's actually not that bad. So I'll have the 2 color variants linked down below for you guys to check out. So there you guys have it. That is my review of the professional wireless keyboard and mouse combo from Jellycomb. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, be sure to leave a like and subscribe, as well as turning on notifications with the bell icon, so that way you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. This has been Jake with Technology and Toys, and until those next videos, I'll see you guys later. Goodbye.